Hello guys, in the previous video we have introduced the Golang's channels concept, and now it's a coding time. Let's just dig into. First of all, I'm going to remove all previous code with the weight group things. In order to create the channel, the object, I'm going to use this channel type. And it will accept, actually you can put into this channel as the string type. So the next thing is called goroutine with this process method, but we need to pass this channel into this function, and of course we need to accept this here. The next thing is to put something into this channel. I'm going to write like fmt this put message that I'm done with putting. So put that and put item. Then I'm going to put this item, this passed item, into this channel, and then just get rid of this fmt and the fix time sleep. So we put this item into this channel, and after we return from this goroutine, we need to read some data from this channel. For this, actually you can range over the channel in Golang, and you can print the value from this channel. So what we can do here, like processed, the past item processed. No, processed, right. Let's see what's going on if we run this code. So go run main go. So it's important and not we don't need this sync package here. So puts the order, process the order. Oops. So what we see here, we put the order to the channel, then we're going to sleep. It means that we need to go back to the main goroutine. It's going to range and reads this item, and as we pass this the orders, so puts the order, process the order, puts the order, process, and it will happen 5 times, but then it will give a fatal error here, like all goroutines are asleep, and a deadlock error here. The thing we can do here, and we need to do here, that after passing and passing everything to the channel, we need to close this channel. So I think like it should be fixed right now. So puts the order, process the order, puts the order, process the order. Easy. In Golang, like, it's really easy to communicate between goroutines using these channels, and I think this channel type actually is the most powerful, one of the most powerful types in the Golang itself. So let's just summarize what we did here. So we run a for loop, put the item. Item is an order string for us. We put this item as a channel. Then we're going to sleep. It means that go back to the main. Then we are going to for range through this channel. We found that it has this item, then print it. And going back again, it's the second time to putting this item. So puts the order, process the order, puts the order, and the process order. And whenever like we end this for loop, we are going to close this channel, and it means this range will also exhaust, and there is nothing left inside inside the channel, and it means we need to exit from the for loop as well. This is a Golang part, so it's super easy, as you see, but we are going to implement the exactly same feature, and we want to get the exactly same output from the Python as well. And I'm going to implement the Python code in the next video in order to make this video short enough. So see you in the next video. Bye.